some of you guys on the internet have seen this car before. We're gonna be doing some new downpipe dump tube, or up pipe up tube, I guess you call it. We're getting started on this, gotta get it finished up today. So far I haven't really started on anything too much yet. Last night before I came in this morning, I just kind of fit up a quick elbow out of the turbo just to make sure that I had room to do it where I thought it would work. That I wasn't gonna run into anything this morning that set me back and whatnot, so I kind of came in with an idea of what I was going to do, but I'll show you what I packed up last night. Obviously, we're going to be using titanium for this. You know, something like this, you kind of got to go titanium at this point. So it's going to be a titanium 3 to 4 inch hood exit. All the materials kind of laid out right here, what we're going to be doing. So you can see kind of on this, and this isn't a finalized part by any means, it's just something I tacked up real quick just to make sure we could exit in the proper area, fit everything. And luckily it works. So this is going to be coming out right about here, and then you can, you know, once we have the holes cut, it'll provide a little bit more of a direct path. The up pipe's going to come out right about here, and the dump tube will be around here and right through this area. So yeah, we're ready to cut. Go from there. That wasn't right. So there's a pipe sticking out there first.
There you go.
So we're gonna do the dump tube, or the up pipe first. V-band, 3 inch, and then a transition to 4 inch. So we're gonna be going out the hood with a 4 inch pipe. This is what we had on the car before. It was just straight to the V-band right there. Just kind of made this last night just to kind of give me a reference of what I was working with for space-wise. It'll give us more over the dump tube. So I got a piece of 1 inch titanium straight right here. This is gonna essentially go right in here. Now the only thing when you're working with pie cuts, and I buy these already pre-cut, the only downside really is obviously they're made out of a straight tube that started like this. So when you cut it at an angle, it's gonna open slightly more than the 3 inches. It actually leaves like a little bit of a gap here where this tube's smaller than the angled cut on the pie. So we're gonna bump this up on the expander so that it's like a nice flush fit. So when we go to weld it, everything's how it should be. Doesn't take much on this. It's kind of just back and forth. There's gonna have to be a couple pie cuts to bring it exactly to that spot because we're about far over, so we can go dipstick and pulley cover. But yeah, it'll be something like this, and then we're just gonna flush across.
Should leave the whole pipe in there. Just stick it out.
And then figure out where your last weld's gonna be, because I can put that in, spin it like that.
Yeah.
It takes long, so it's late.
I'm excited, man.
But
Appreciate
finish it.
It's gonna be cool. My car still makes 400 on the pump. Not the safest thing in the world.
No, not how much boost?
Same.
Yeah, well, duh. Yeah, right?
If you want to throw some purples in the tips, you can do that.
Well, we'll just do the
Just the tips.
yeah, because once I get this weld
the
here,
tip.
right here, I'm gonna hook up. Yeah, just a tip. Just a tip.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just get the anodizer going just so I can do the plate.
Dude, we've got so much room for that O2 sensor.
Yeah, there's.
We thought it was
plenty
gonna
of
be
spots.
so much shorter.
No, it's gonna. I was gonna put it like right down here,
Yeah.
and it'll still
It's
get a
perfect.
decent reading, you know.
Yeah.
So basically. It's like the perfect height because it'll go over the car when you look from there.
It looks so
It
good.
sticks up like maybe 8 of it shoulder to the top of the sprout.
this to your car?
Never.
Never?
That's an automatic versus manual.